Today I'm going to walk you through how I would help a student debug this code that starts here on line 25. If they ran their code, they would get this error, which isn't technically an error, but something is definitely wrong. So the first thing I would ask the student is, what do you expect this code to do? What should it do? And so they should tell me, well, it's a for loop, and I is initialized to 0. The iterator is initialized to 0. And while I doesn't equal 10, the iterator should increase by 3. And so whenever that's happening, we should see the line counting up plus whatever number the iterator is on. So first we should see counting up 0, counting up 1, counting up 2. So that tells me that something's wrong with this condition here. It's never really becoming false because I never is able to equal 10 because I is always increasing by 3. So if a student was having trouble seeing this, I would have them start to write out the multiples of 3. So I at first is 0, okay, and then after the first run of the loop, I should go up to 3. And after that, it should go to 6, and then 9, and then 12, and then 15, etc., etc. And so then the student might see, oh, okay, 10 never happens. We never hit 10, and that's exactly the condition that we need to hit. And so for that reason, we're seeing this crazy infinite loop. So one way the student could fix this is to just do... let's see. Well, there's a couple things they could do. They could either iterate it to a number that is eventually going to be 10. So we could start at 0, then I would be 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. So let's see what happens like that. Run the code. And there we go. So eventually we hit this statement here because I hits 10. So the condition has been met.